This is from going to sleep late. Don't go to sleep late. Anyways, hey guys, so today is a new vlog week. It is Sunday and I am gonna do some stuff here around the house. I'm gonna finish putting out the Christmas decorations that we have. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the decorations that we have. I did get a package from Colourpop, so I'm gonna just unbox that here with you guys. This is how I look when I'm home. I'm not gonna pretend like I wear makeup every single day in my house. I like to be comfortable. I just wear t-shirts. My hair is kind of crazy. It's a mess. So this is my Colourpop package and I ordered the Raw Beauty Christie collection. How cute is this box? Okay, let me put the phone down. I have to show you guys this box again. How cute! All right, so I took out the products from the packaging. You guys, look at this packaging. It is so cute. I'm really so happy for Christy. She got pregnant this year. She had 2 collabs. This is her year, even though 2020 has been pretty shitty, but she's having, I'd say, a really great one. Oh my god. So I had to get one of the Super Shock shadows, and how cute is that mushroom? I wasn't sure if I was going to do a video with the products because I've seen so many people post videos on the collection already. But if you guys want to see a video of me using the products, just let me know. Yeah. I forgot where we got these from. Was it Target? Ah! Glitter falling. No, I think we got these at Home Goods. We got this one at Target. Yeah, I don't remember. Did we put one of these in here? I think we did. So I started off with decorating the TV stand first. I did the same thing I did last year. I grabbed like this fake snow that I got from Target, put it in this like little container that we got from, I think it was Kirkland's, and then I put these little Christmas trees in there that I got from Target last year. Most of the stuff on the TV stand we got last year, except for the little truck that you guys see in the corner. It's really cute. I got that one this year at Target. I'll try to link everything that I can find in the description box below. Some of these are from the store at home. I don't know if there's one outside of Texas, a really good store where they have so many Christmas decor. For the little table that we have in our entryway, we did put the Days Until Christmas calendar that we got from Target last year. I did move the little Christmas tree that we had there to the TV stand. Kind of just left it pretty simple in that space. And this is how it turned out. It looks really good. We love it. And I moved on to the dining table. And also the bar card. This bar card we actually got from Target. It's really nice. I'll link it in the description box below. The little Christmas sign we got from Target as well. And I just added a few more Christmas items and that's it. Kept it super simple. Let me know what you guys think about our Christmas home decor. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Vlogmas video. Stay tuned for my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.